Dunstable Downs with a very loud voice because it's extra windy. And behind me the weather is beautiful and gorgeous. Tangobaldy doesn't wear a hat. But over there it's getting very dark. Now I was going to show you my dead parrot, but it actually is proper dead. It disappears, doesn't it? Hello? It's got life in it. It's flying parrot. It's not dead. Ah! That's heavy, man. I am in a public park owned by the National Trust with a utility knife. I know how much you lot love inflatable balloons or inflatables. Loving it. Watch the inflatable bleed to death. Oh, look at that. I'm dying! All my life juices are running out. Save me from Tangobaldy! Die, Mr. Parrot. Nasty inflatable. Time to die. See what happens.